What's up, Paradise Crew? My name's Griff.
And I'm Alyssa.
And today we're going to talk about the Disney difference. Those 6 magical reasons why you should book a Disney cruise.
Disney is well known for being a magical vacation. But what makes cruising with Disney so much different than sailing with any other cruise line? Number 1 is signature service. If you've ever been to Disney, you should know that there's a certain quality of service that they uphold. Everything is extra clean, the cast members are always super kind, and they always go above and beyond to make sure you have the experience of a lifetime.
For example, we sailed on a Disney Wonder back in January and we booked reservations for Palo. And when we walked inside of the restaurant, the staff knew our names. They knew our faces, knew our favorite colors, they knew everything. That's impressive.
We didn't have to tell them anything.
Yeah, I'm joking about the colors, but they really knew exactly who we were, which is kind of cool when it goes above and beyond with Disney.
With the Disney cruise, you can request almost anything that you want and the staff will do their very best to get it for you. So, if you loved the beignets in Tiana's place, but you're dining in Animator's palette tonight, your server may surprise you with some.
Yeah, which is super cool. Number 2 is Disney's ability to pay attention to the details. From the music on board to the cups and the crown molding, if you really pay attention to your surroundings on the ship, you'll be impressed of how magical every little detail that they put into that ship goes into play. It's really incredible. You have to see it to believe it.
Number 3 is the rich storytelling. So going along with the attention to detail, everything that Disney does tells a story. And I think that's why we like it so much.
Yeah, it's really cool. So when you go to dinner, it's actually more than dinner. You're part of a story. You're part of their story. Going to Animator's Palette, Tiana's place, pretty much anywhere. They make sure that everything's done so well, so nice, that you can go back home and share the same stories that you enjoyed with your friends and family too.
Number 4 is rotational dining. So each of the 4 ships have 3 different themed restaurants that are included in the cost of your cruise. So rotational dining means that you get to experience each of those dining rooms throughout the duration of your cruise. And the fun part is that your table mates and your servers get to go with you.
Number 5 is split bathrooms with a tub. So the first half of the bathroom has a toilet and a sink, and the other half has a tub, a shower, and a sink. So this is really cool for families. It came in handy when we were getting ready for dinner, coming back from excursions, so it's really, really convenient.
And number 6 is Broadway style shows and first run Disney movies.
Yes.
So fun. It is no secret that entertainment is second to none with Disney. The shows are completely outstanding, and you get to experience live action shows like Aladdin, Beauty and the Beast, Frozen, and Tangled.
Yes. You'll also get to see newly released movies, which is super cool. So at the time of making this video, right now, Aladdin's out. You can see Endgame, you can see Captain Marvel. Being one of the first people to see these newly released movies on a ship, that's incredible. That really shows you guys the Disney difference.
Have you been on a Disney cruise? What did you like most about it? Leave us a comment in the comment section below.
Yeah, and if you haven't been on a Disney cruise yet, let us know which one you're most interested in. Guys, thank you for watching this video. It really means a lot. Give it a thumbs up if you found it valuable. And if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in Paradise.
Peace.